Okay, I'm going to show you something like that. So from here I enter anything, automated time and date going to appear here. So if I delete this one, okay, I delete and delete. So only if I clear all the row, maybe row is a column colors. So these two blank, time and date automatic display. So for me I need to update over here this table. From here I just watch the, look at the time says 6:25 now. I'm going to do anything, don't need to change it, double click and update automatic time and date change. For me I earlier yeah, I changed it everything at the same time. From this time I change anything, it's automatic time and date update. How I achieve this one, this task, for me I'm using ChatGPT. For me I have no idea what's the code. For me I have basic idea knowledge of visual basics. So for me I don't have any advanced knowledge about it. For that I using ChatGPT. It's really hard to say it's such ChatGPT. Yeah, it's really hard to say. Okay, this is a code, so I just copy and paste it. So only few minor changes I had to do it over here according to this, like that. For me this is the code, not only one code, I just do the several code. Still I get a minor setback, otherwise it works perfectly. Here it's a code I'm using finally, target, like that. So you can always, if there any error message, you just copy paste the code and type the error not working, like that. From here not working, so it's automatically offering another code. And every time I run the macros, that's a major problem now. I'm getting, not a major problem, it's a setback. This is a setback I'm facing now. So every time macros running, so automatically all the undo removed, undo task removed. So this one I don't know how to sort it out that problem from here. So like that I just change everything. Okay, so that's a mistake. From here I had to clear it out. I guess it, okay, that's a little bit mistake I done it. Here time and date automatically change next to the left or right, doesn't matter, so automatically change. I'm going to close, first close. I don't want to wait for a long time to, okay, this is a basic code I'm using over here. Yeah, this is the code. Only give me a few seconds to show it out. That's what's the code I'm using. All you have is need to copy and paste it. Okay, from here all you guys need to copy and paste it, and over here, and yeah, I try to show you something now. So undo not working, so look at that, undo button over here now. So you can able to see the undo. So once I check the time 6:25, can you change? You don't need to change anything, just enter automatically undo gray out over here, upper left corner, left, yeah, left corner, undo. That's a major setback to me. So for me it's really bothering me to uh, bothering that function not working after running macros. So for that's by default function, for I don't know how to disable it. So if anyone know how to disable that one, each time I run the macros automatically undo clear it out. For there's a several reasons they are saying in the Microsoft website. For me I can understand what they are saying. I try to get help from ChatGPT. ChatGPT is really hard to say the ChatGPT. Yeah, just say ChatGPT. So like that they ask you to run ChatGPT. Yeah, really hard to say that certainly very fast. So I just type enter the Discord, even though it's not working. So future I try to find out the solution to that problem. Okay, from here, okay, I already marked down the date over here, date, and everything here. I just check the table name, table 7. Okay, table 7. Always you need to remember the table name, so otherwise it's not going to work it. So look at the table 7. Um, from here, last uh, L, so 99, L99, that's the last column. So this if I need to create a VBA code for this table, this header, date, data. If anything change over here or here, here, so automatically change the date. Okay, I'm going to save. I already create the code, everything over here, so I'm going to explain it. What is that? It's a watch. I'm going to copy it over here. For me, I don't know the coding or how the function working. Not 100%. I know the little bit about this Visual Basic coding. So using ChatGPT very easy, very simple. So yeah, I try to use a Google Bard. Very bad, very bad. What's the date today? Look at the date. December 27, 2003. No, so 2023. So really bad. But ChatGPT thousand times ChatGPT. Okay. This is the code I try to run it. It's not going to work it. This is a table 7. I already changed one over here. Table 7 and table 7. Here data. Not sorry data date. So here date. You have to mention the date over here. That's the table name. If I change it over here to what we got date 1. Look, I just save it out over here and let me say it. Okay, first I check it out this code working. Most of not most of them, sometimes I using what we call OBS. When I'm using OBS, certain code not working, certain function not working. After close the program and open it, I don't know why. What is wrong with that? Maybe it's an OBS problem, maybe Office problem. I don't know. Okay, so I just said all I done is a copy paste. So I just copy paste from over here, ChatGPT. Here I say private taking over here ChatGPT. I just copy and paste it. If anything work, if it not work, I just again paste it over here. I say maybe this one you can find out the what's it's not working. So why I just copy paste it. Okay, so from this code still not undo not working. That means undo. I try to remove stop undoing, clearing undo. So like that. You just copy paste it and ask the ChatGPT what's the problem like that. The ChatGPT automatically walk through all the problem, and you end of the time you'll get the super result. So like that. Okay, that part done. So I got a code from ChatGPT. So I asked the ChatGPT, I need to create a date automatically appear if I change anything in table like that. After that, step by step, I develop the conversation, and end of the time I got the code like that. Okay, that's how I start the conversation. Okay, from here I just 27. You can able to see the 27 automatically changed over here. So I'm going to use it over here. 27. Even VBA change it also 27. Okay. Let me see if I change it over here. Automatically change. Okay. That part okay. If I click over here another at the net another column, it's a column or row? I just confused left and right like that confused. Really bothering me like that. So automatically at the another header, no? So that's a problem for me to continue Excel like that. Let me explain something over here. Over here. So if I type it out over here something, so if any problem I just try forcefully close and I hit open it. Like so automatically create another column. I don't know why it's coming like that. I need to stop that one. Okay, now it's taking time. It's, I can able to undo it. Unfortunately, the undo button gray out. No? So for that, it's take at least 3 to 4 minutes. For that, I'm going to remove that. Okay. Let me see if it is still not working. It's working. And I just delete automatically display. From here also, if I delete entire row from here to here and clear it from here to here, you can able to see sorry. Here there's a blank, no need to worry about that one. Or if you have some problem, just select and clear it. Time and date is going to be display. So once I run I can able to show it later. End of the video I try to show it out how it's working or not from this sheet. So otherwise once I delete it, it's automatically came that what we call macro run. I can't able to reverse it. For that I try to save what we call auto save. It's the minimum 5 minutes, no? So there's a settings in auto save. So here icon something, yeah, maybe manage something there. So auto save, suddenly I can't remember where I change, or I'll change it into 5 minutes. So if anything happen to every 5 minutes automatically saving temporary location. If there anything any problem, so I close it and go there and take it out. I already created the shortcut folder also that. So until I find out that solution for that one, if I run it, macro automatically display, no? So it's not a macro, so gray out. Control Z for that. Okay, and I'm going to change it over here, date to date 1. Over here another place I need to change it, and okay, so I can't find out from here. I'm going to find out date. So notepad plus plus is really good to use it. Yeah, it's only one place. So I'm going to change it now. The code not going to work it. So not going to work it for me. I'm going to delete. From here I'm going to change it to 1, and let's try. Now it's working, huh? From here I'm going to type it out anything. Okay, I'm going to change it to date, enter. Now it's not going to work it because the code I didn't in here, code I didn't change. I remove the one. If you run it, this one, what I'll ask the same macro name, so don't need to run it. Just it's not in module, no? So direct in sheet. For that I don't need to save. Okay. That's it. So that's the thing I tried to show it to you. And here I'm going to make it another copy. Okay, so too small. I copy. Okay, so copy paste not working, I think. I already mentioned that any duplicate, mark it down like that. Let me see it over here. Yeah, so over here the sheet number 2, so I didn't mention it over here. Okay, leave it. Now I'm gonna mark it down. So this is how I develop this Excel sheet. And over here, condition format, here's a duplicate code. Why is code duplicated? And another code now. Yeah, that's really sad. Okay, right. Duplicate. Okay, save, and I'm gonna copy and time date appear. I'm just saying the date over here. Okay, I'm going to delete this one. Okay, still not delete. It's working. Okay, that's it. So I tried to show you something like that. So in the conclusion like that, if you are updating this row, no, this row, so you don't know which date last update to something. You can once you saved for you can able to find out. So from here using this code easy to find out. Where did I get the code? I got the code from ChatGPT. I start ChatGPT to here conversation. You can able to see it very clearly. I just simply ask it, okay, ChatGPT, how to start it like that. If I type the data, automatically I need to get time and date appear like that. Hyperlink over here. I'm using Microsoft Office. Okay, hyperlink here. After using row, I create a group B, and but okay, using group B to okay. Yeah. That's a short problem. So yeah, still the short problem is still problem for me. Yeah, that's the code I first time I type it now. So I just copy paste the code and start conversation. So I got the code from some website. I think some websites automatically one to one. You need to select the range or something like that. So start. I just typing and every run 29. I get the error message. After the ChatGPT give you the solution for that here. Visual basic working is still blank. Data also need to delete. That means if they any blank, so date not removing. So I had to remove manually. For that I need to be automatic that one too. So I just ask a ChatGPT. So ChatGPT provide that thing like that. Only enter the A to A column. So that means ChatGPT only if I change it only over here only data brief. For I asked ChatGPT no I need to change it entire pro. If any change it inside the um, price name anything I need to get the date and time change it. Okay, here I got the code for that one. Each time I record automatically next auto run. Okay, that's a main problem now. So after a while I tried to sort it out that problem, so it's still not working. After a few time I run the program, I can't sort it out and again start type it. Okay, this time I just feel give the scenario table name. It's a table name. Three header, feed one, feed two, and date. Now any changes feed of and I'm mentioning. Um, date need to be changed. Here, ChatGPT give the answer. Syntax error. Syntax error. I just copy the syntax error. It's a yellow color highlight now. And ChatGPT give the correct one. Yes, it's working. code cell blank. Then data also need to be delete not working. Okay, like that. You start somewhere and get the answer, full function working code. So that's how I get the code. This is the code so far. Okay, if I can able to copy paste it and description also I'm willing to do that one. I don't know. Okay, thank you.